So let's talk about a multi-stage paint correction. So the goal of this video is to help you understand what a multi-stage paint correction is and why you should choose this package for your vehicle. A multi-stage paint correction is the art of taking defects out of the paint. Now that could be between multi-stages of compounding, multi-stages of polishing, and possibly even some multi-stages of wet sanding too as well. But here at Xtreme Detailing, it's more commonly known as a compound, a polish, and a seal. So I know for some of y'all are probably wondering, well, what is compound polishing and sealing? Well, compound is to cut down the paint. That's how we take out the scratches and the deeper imperfections in the paint. Polishing is to enhance that shine. That's what actually makes that paint pop. A lot of people confuse this with wax. They think that wax is what makes the vehicle shine, but it's not. The polishing is what enhances that shine and makes that paint glow. Sealing is just your choice of protection. All right, sealing is just another word for protection. Sealing in the paint to protect it. That could start anywhere from a carnauba to a polymer, or possibly even ceramic waxes, or preferably a ceramic coating. So one of the most common reasons for a paint correction is spiderweb scratches. And of course, they look just like spider webs laying across the paint. Everybody wants to know, where do these aggravating, stubborn scratches come from? It could be from a drive-through car wash, improper washing techniques, or just somebody brushing up on the vehicle too aggressively. So next up would be deeper scratches. So imagine that the depth of your clear coat is about this thick, of course magnified. Well, your spiderweb scratches are like right up on the surface of it. Your deeper scratches are usually halfway down, or at least the ones that we can take out anyway. Anything deeper than that is basically broke all the way through the clear coat. I mean, there's pretty much nothing that we can do for it. Another reason could be oxidized paint. Now, oxidation is when the oils begin to leave the paint, starts to just look dry and ashy or kind of faded. The vehicle just doesn't have that same color that it had originally. Well, that oxidation can be taken out through your paint correction process. And another common reason is buffing swirls. Now, buffing swirls are caused by some other detailer trying to do a paint correction or maybe even polish the paint. But they were either using a compound that's just way too aggressive for the type of paint, or maybe they were just polishing too high, having too many RPMs running on that paint, causing too much heat and leaving swirls all in the paint. And they don't do it intentional. They just don't understand how to find them, how to check to make sure that you're not leaving buffing swirls in the paint. And last but not least, your paint can have all of the above. It could be an older vehicle that's just been sitting in a barn or maybe parked in a garage for a long time, or maybe just a vehicle that you drive every day that you haven't been taking care of. So maybe it's time to just go ahead and get a paint correction, polish that paint back up to a high gloss shine, and then seal it in and protect it. But by all means, this is not a quick service. Okay, a paint correction could range anywhere between 2 to 4 days on most vehicles, but there's some vehicles where a paint correction could take up to 2 weeks. It just depends on the severity of the paint and what the customer's expectation is of the paint. So if you want to find out if your vehicle needs a paint correction, we welcome you to come by the shop for a free consultation. We will take a look at your paint, educate you on the defects that we see, and let you know what steps can be taken to improve your appearance of your automobile. But the choice is yours, because I'm not trying to sell you anything here. We don't sell our customers, we educate them. We let the education sell itself. So remember this, if you want it to be clean, take it to the extreme.